Hey guys, it's SkPlaysFifa with a quick pack opening. It's a late session, so my voice will be quite quiet, but please bear with me. So we're gonna start off with first pack. Alright, let's go. Premium pack. FIFA points. I did just get the game just now. Let's see who we get. I'll skip this later on. It's a boring pack. A few contracts, fitness. Might get some money from that. Nothing big. Still trying to run through this quickly. I'm gonna do 10 packs and I'll stop. So pack number 2. I will start to skip in a minute. Another boring pack. Nothing too big. And right now the reason why I won't get really good players is because right now everyone is on the game, everyone is playing the game. So all the good players, the chances of you getting it are very low right now. Okay, I've got a feeling EA Services is about to kick me out right now. Come on. There we go. Pack number 3, third time lucky. Oh wow, okay. There we go. Pack number 3. Not third time lucky. Another same things, store it. Pack number 4. Messy pack. I know people are gonna be thinking, why aren't you tactically opening packs? Well, I'll do that just now. Discard myself for a bit. Rofe. I'm gonna store everything. I just want to run through this video as quick as I can. Okay, let me back out. Let me back out entirely, then come back in and buy a pack. Let's see if that makes a difference, guys. I'm trying to make sure this video doesn't go over 5 minutes. But with the way EA servers are working. Oh yeah, by the way, I will be doing more videos, so please subscribe to the channel. This is just one of the first. Okay, let's see what we get. The different oh wow. Back out, come back in. Oh wow. Come on. Alright, let's back out again. This is not what you want when you're recording. I don't want to be editing the video. Oh my god, come on, don't do this to me. Okay, let's back out completely. Okay, my EA servers are acting up, so I'm gonna wrap this up and then make this a part 1. Then I'm gonna put a link to the video for part 2.